Okay, here's part of our new learning today. So this is all part of question 1. Please make sure that you watch to the very end, even if you feel like you totally get it and understand it. Okay, Jenny buys 2 pounds of pecans. If she puts 2 pounds in each bag, how many bags can she make? So the first thing I want you to do is think about the numbers. So 2 pounds, and then the word each. Ooh, windy outside. So each is a new word or a key word that tells us we're going to be doing what? Adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing. And each means divide. So that means I'm taking 2 pounds of pecans and I'm dividing it with 2 pounds in each bag. So there's my 2, and there's where I get my each. Then you just have to solve it. 2 divided by 2. What is 2 divided by 2? Any number divided by itself we know equals 1. So she can make 1 bag with 2 pounds in each bag. But what if I change that and I say that she can put 1 pound in each bag? So 2 pounds, 1 pound in each bag is 2 divided by 1. 2 divided by 1, I know that any number divided by 1 is itself. So that equals 2. Notice this number is getting smaller. What's happening to this number? Okay, so this is part of our new learning for today. What if she only puts half a pound in each bag? How many bags can she make? So I want you to think about, first of all, the same numbers are there. So here's my number sentence, but that doesn't do you a whole lot of good if it really doesn't make sense to you. So can we draw a picture to represent this? Yes, we can. Here's my 2 pounds that she's starting with. So this box represents 2 pounds of pecans, and I'm putting a half a pound in each bag. So what I've done is I've drawn a number line, and I'm just showing that in a little bit of a different way. So here's where 1 pound of pecans would be, here's where 2 pounds of pecans would be, and I split it into halves because it's a half of a pound. Half of 1 pound, half of another pound, half of a pound, half of a pound. So there's half, there's half, there's half, and then this is my last half. So how many bags can she make? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 divided by 1/2 equals 4. Do you see a pattern yet? When this number is getting smaller, what's happening to this number? Let's do another one. What if she puts 1/3 of a pound in each bag? So here's my numbers. Here's my division sentence to go along with it, and I'm just plugging those numbers in, each bag. But I want to draw a picture to help me understand what this means. So here's my 2 pounds of pecans I started with, but this time instead of a half, I'm doing 1/3 of a pound. So I'm still going to draw that number line, still put in my numbers, 0 pounds, 1 pound, 2 pound, but this time I've split it into thirds instead of halves. So how many thirds can she make? If each bag is 1/3, a bag, how many bags? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is my last 2. So 2 divided by 1/3 equals 6 bags. This is getting smaller. What's happening here? Okay, if Jenny buys 2 pounds of pecans and she puts 1/4 of a pound in each bag, here's my division sentence. 2 divided by 1/4. Let's draw a picture to represent it. Here's my 2. And this time I'm splitting it into fourths. So here's my 0, 1, and 2. Now I'm going to split each one of those into fourths. There's 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. 1 and 1/4, 1 and 2/4, 1 and 3/4, 1 and 4/4, or 2. And each of those is a bag. So there's a bag, there's a bag, there's a bag, etc., etc., etc. So how many bags can she make if she puts 1/4 of a pound in each bag? She can make 8 bags altogether. There we go. 8 bags altogether. So here's your understanding. If you're still feeling stuck, then just watch the next question.